We will do our best. All right, mortgage rates are at near record lows right now. So is it a time to buy or sell? Is it time to refinance?
Well, we are answering all your questions about this tonight in our 360 breakdown. Here's Denver 7's Russell Haythorne.
Russell, welcome.
So this is
155 Southmore Drive.
You might be wondering, who's looking for a home at a time like this?
We still, despite everything, have a housing shortage.
Definitely trying to transition into doing virtual walkthroughs.
Prep while their guests are entertaining.
There are plenty of people still shopping.
Yes, virtual open houses. We'll walk around, we'll point things out, and do that for a live audience.
The feds have also lowered interest rates, meaning refinancing can likely save you a ton of money right now.
Depending on your finances, depending on what interest rate you have, you can save hundreds.
Joy Roan is a perfect example.
It's going to save us about $200 a month. You can imagine over the life of the loan what that ends up being.
Let's take this story for a 360-degree home tour with realtors, lenders, home buyers, and current homeowners like Roan and her husband.
I was a little hesitant at first, but hearing just how low the interest rates had gotten and how much that would save us, it just made sense.
It's a whole day event.
For Jasmine and Macaulay Malone, it's the right time to buy.
This is a short-term pandemic.
With 2 kids, they're in the market for a bigger home
A lot of virtual showings.
as they try to strike during the COVID shutdown.
With fewer people looking right now,
It is nice on the buy side not having all that competition.
So what's going on? Mortgage expert Apollo Sevilla with American Dream Mortgage says rates are great.
It certainly is a good time to refi. We anticipate a low rate environment for a long time.
Other experts agree.
It's a great time right now to look at refinancing.
Jim Perkins with Elevations Credit Union in Fort Collins says rates are good whether you have a mortgage or a home equity line.
I would say if you have an interest rate above 4%, you need to be talking to your loan officer.
This all started back on March 16th when the Federal Reserve jumped in buying $360 billion in mortgage bonds to stabilize the market and ensure there's not a 2008 collapse.
Here we have,
Sevilla says for most homeowners, the choice is obvious.
you would look back after this pandemic is over and you would be happy to have pulled the trigger under this environment.
When it comes to buying and selling a house, realtor Lori Abbey with the Abbey Collection says there's a bit more instability, but the market is still strong.
It's actually still a busy spring. I'm still quite busy showing houses by myself.
Into sort of the bedroom area.
There's no question the market is seeing an impact. In Metro Denver in March, 761 people selling their homes pulled their listings off the market. That's a record for a single month. Clearly, homeowners are shaken by the pandemic. Yet despite that, Metro Denver saw a 7% increase in home prices from March 2019 to March 2020.
I'm not saying it's not uncertain and it's not scary and there aren't a lot of people being really negatively impacted, but I'm also saying that housing is still a supply and demand issue.
Experts do say tread lightly on home buying if you have any job insecurity.
You always want to take an abundance of caution in regards to looking at your position, your job.
On the other hand, if you already own a home or someone in your household is out of work right now, lenders are letting you defer or skip mortgage payments.
Most of the time, they're going to put those payments on the back end of your mortgage and let you skip 3 months.
As for refinancing, get this. The Roans went from an interest rate around 4.1% down to 3.1%.
It was kind of a no-brainer, to be honest. You start doing the math and you go, yep, let's do this.
There's definitely less buyers out there right now, so it's a good opportunity for us.
Russell Haythorne, Denver 7.